Hey friends, I'm Chef Walter, and just a note to remind you that my ebooks are now available on Amazon. Flavors of Federal Hill is a collection of recipes developed by the early Italian immigrants in Rhode Island since 1886. And the second ebook just came out. It's called The Sweet Flavors of Federal Hill, and it's all about those wonderful desserts that we love so much. Federal Hill, as you know, the Little Italy in the city of Providence. If you are a lover of good food and well-executed recipes, these two ebooks are a must-have. Download them for free with a Prime account and pass them along as a gift. It's never too late to expand food knowledge. All the best to you from Federal Hill in Providence. Ciao.